Alright, here it is. All the components put together. You can see the top plate, lower plate right here, and top plate right here is little spacers right here. Which I have not installed yet. Actually, may not have to. When I tack these, all this will be tacked. Right here, that will be tacked. Tacked only. You don't want to put too rigid construction to this. Here's the top view. Actually, this whole thing will be flipped over, and all the parts down here, I'm going to drill a hole right here and drill a hole right here, and I'm going to put my positive here, my negative here, and everything else around will all integrate together. All of this will just work together, the whole thing. It's going to make the efficiency of this device for producing hydrogen 100 times more, on the order of what I thought it would. I tried out a smaller version, and this is a 1 3/4 inch. This is 3/4 pipe right here, 3/4, 1 inch on the outside right here. It's 1 inch goes into this top plate, which is positive. 3/4 goes into the negative plate. And you can see there's separation. I mean, it's not the greatest thing in the world, but it proves the point that when you disperse the amperage across this plate through a dielectric, which is water, it produces much more of a magnetic field, I guess you would call it a magnetic field, electromagnetic, and the electromagnetic field separates the water molecules on an oscillating voltage source. I've been using about 30 megahertz. 30 megahertz is what I've been using, and it seems to work the best. And some of the guys say the filming produces a film on these pipes here after some time. It's absolutely the truth. It does. It makes everything white, and it actually enhances it. It works much more efficient with that material on it. Suffice to say what it is. I haven't thought about it. There's a 8-cell unit, which this will do a gallon of water in 13 minutes. I'm going to put this all together with this right here. This is 6-inch tube, and this gets lowered. This right here gets lowered into this and I capped the top and the bottom, and the wires come out at the bottom. I've got a unit that I'm going to modify right here. Here's my wire. It's a single wire right now. There will be two wires for positive and negative. If I can, I'm working on using a single negative ground to take the whole process into its own source. There's going to be a positive and negative, but I'm going to use the negative ground to recycle the electrons through the system. That'll give me a much more efficient polarization process as the positive and negatives line up to separate these. In the water solution, I've used regular water. I've used this nasty water we got over